motherfuckers.
Here it is, the FXLRS 2020 Harley-Davidson Lowrider S with the Russ Wernimont FXRT fairing, Lucky Dave's handlebars, Cobra El Diablo 2-in-1 exhaust. And what's one thing we got on here with these Harley-Davidson foot pegs, the 80 grit. And I gotta tell you guys, these are badass. They're big, so you got room for your foot. Built good. Those are, they're expensive, but man, they're good. They're about $179 for those. Okay, here's a look at them on the Harley-Davidson website. These things are really, really cool. You'll see the price down here, $179 for the 80 grit rider foot pegs. So they're $180, $179.95. A lot of you guys were curious about the price of this bike. This exhaust is a steal. You get it at Dennis Kirk, $580. That's it. You know it's badass because it has lightning bolts on it. See those two lightning bolts right there? You know it's rad. All right, here's the exhaust on the Dennis Kirk website. It's Cobra El Diablo black 2-in-1 6478B. It'll come up there with the picture on the Street Bob, and it's $580.88. The chrome version's only $500. It's a super good buy. The Big Mike's Choppers Corbin seat's gonna set you back a bunch of money. I had that custom built to put me 2 inches back, and that thing was $700, so that's really expensive, but it's worth every penny. Only the best, baby. Fairing's about $800. The bracket's about $700. Prep and paint is about $600. Here's a look at the fairing on Russ Wernimont Designs website for the 2020 Lowrider S, and you'll see the pricing there. It comes raw, so it's going to require prep and paint. Then you'll need the bracket kit for the fairing to match the bike. You'll need to get the bracket kit for the 2020 Lowrider S. I'm showing the one for the FXR here, but just to show you the price, about $635 at 95 cents. And that's what it takes to mount the fairing to your motorcycle. The handlebars are about $350. These are the Lucky Dave's handlebars. I got the 13-inch. They're $315, $315. You'll see the price here as I scroll up on the website. Super comfortable. Look great on the bike. Just really nice handlebars. And the lay down license plate bracket, I'm not sure how much that costs. And that's really all we did to the bike. The rest of the bike's stock, other than those little features. I haven't changed out and I'm probably not going to. Everyone's all, you gotta get black shift levers. I know what some of you guys wanted to hear this bike. I'll let you guys hear this too. Cobra 2-in-1 El Diablo. Let's go ahead and see what the exhaust. It's not like gonna kill your neighbors in the morning on the way to work. But when you get on it, it's deep, it's throaty. Got a nice 2-in-1 sound. Go in. And when you're out there riding and you get on it, it sounds great. We're up the coast here. Get you guys a view from the other side here. This is pretty cool. Okay, another thing I wanted to talk about is the wind protection from the FXRT fairing. My legs, I can get my legs up here and my legs are protected from the wind. The wind staying off my body, even with the air vents in the front, and there's air coming through the front, as you can see. The wind protection from this fairing is amazing. Compared to not having a fairing before, or just a small quarter fairing. It's the wind protection's outstanding. That's what it looks like back here when you're riding through it. Super comfortable. I got a crash bar I might put on here. Bun King's crash bar. And I got the bun kit for the back. So I could put, when I go camping, I'll put the detachable sissy bar on there to strap my backpack to. I got this big backpack that I put all my camping gear in. Everything fits in it. And if I get real busy this summer, maybe I'll purchase the hard bags for this bike. The hard bags that are on the Sport Glide. Thinking about it. We'll see. I kind of like the way it looks without the bags, but with the hard bags on there, it'd be pretty tricked out. If you've seen Matt Laidlaw's Coast Glide 1 and 2, those bikes are super tricked out because everything's powder coated and detailed. Those bikes are $50,000 motorcycles. Whole different ball of wax than what we did here. This is like a low budget version.